Hello, I need to harvest blue, my green fish. Green peas. Yan. That is my green peas. They have a lot. Now I see they look there. I need to harvest the old ones. That's ready. I need to harvest this one. See, they have a lot now. Oh, yeah, they have a lot. Going. See, I think I have. Need to harvest it. Ayan. And they have a lot. See, going harvest it all around. But now, yeah, they need. Yeah, they have flowers. What? They have a lot. See, have a lot. Need that. Ah, this one I need to. Oh, that one is need to harvest already. Oh, like that. Green peas, green peas. I love you all. I love you all. See, hmm, I can harvest now, and they have a flower already here. See, harvest, harvesting to yan. Yan, they just like this one. See, this one is need to harvest already. Oh, big one. Mm, this one is small one. No more. Okay.